Hi to all my viewers. I know it's been a long time that I didn't upload any videos, so I'm kind of busy with family and work. But of course, as long as I have my phone and I get an alert that there's a sales, I didn't stop getting it. So that means I got a load of boxes that I did not open. So here we go. Today we're going to do unboxing 101. So I'm I'm actually going to do this video because I'm trying to declutter the bedroom, and as you can see here, I have a lot of stocks, a lot of boxes, and a lot of Amazon stuff that is still inside packages. So and I know that some of you like to watch the unboxing, and I want to also surprise myself what I have right here that I'm hiding, but we'll see. Okay. I'm planning to, why don't we unbox the biggest one first? I don't know what it is though, but we'll see. We'll find out what it will be. The first mystery box we have here. Well, I guess it's not going to be mystery box because it said Victoria's Secret. So what do we have inside the Victoria's Secret box? Here we go. Oh. Mystery box. Okay. Oh my god. My husband watching this, baby, I ordered this very long time ago, okay? And let me tell you, when did I order this? This is weird. It doesn't even have a date. Oh, there it is. Oh my god. Guess what? This is, I ordered these items. Look at this. November 21, 2001 and 2000. We just opened it 2022 and now it's almost November 2. Oh my goodness. This is crazy. Alright, let's see what we got first here. Okay. First is, what is this? It's lotion. It's a body lotion. I got body lotion. Let's see, how much did I get this one? Not sure. Oof. Did I really get in that amount? No way. No way I paid that much money. How many did you get this one? Oh! I thought it's just only one. I got two. Okay, there's two of this. I'm sure there's more. Okay, I got two body lotion from Victoria's Secret. Alright, let's check what else we have in here. And this one, oh my god. You know what? I really don't open if I receive something like this from Victoria's Secret. I don't really open it because I like it to stay inside the box before I use it. I like to open something special. Okay, here we go. What do we have in this box? What do we have? I really don't know what it is though. It's a set. Oh, it's really cute. Look at this. Ta-da! Guess what it is? It's the reflection. Okay, there we go. It's a very sexy. Okay, what is next? Right, we have to put it back. Let's put it back. I like it to be safe and sound in its own little bags. Ha. Alright, back in there. Let's get a new one. Alright, what is this one? Well, it doesn't say anything, but we'll see. Right, guys? Alright. Let's see, what do we have in here? It's not opening. It won't allow me. Alright, here we go. What's our next mystery? Huh. No idea what it is. Oh! Another gift set. Isn't it really cute? Look! It's cute! Oh, it has a seal. Oh, I cannot open it. Let's see. Oh, do I have to break the seal? Oh, I can open it. I can open it. No, no, I cannot open it. Let's. Ah. La la la. Da-dun-dun-dun. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, so pretty. I don't know why it's reflecting, but it's really nice and cute. That's cute. Thank you, Victoria's Secret. I love it. Huh. And next, what is our next mystery box in here? It's good. Let me guess. This is another gift set, right? Okay, where's my scissor? Okay. Number 3. Let's see what is inside the mystery box number 3. Yeah. Huh. Oh. Same. 1, 2. Ta-da! A bombshell. Okay, I think I have. You know what? I'm going to put that in my shelf. That's cute. I'm not going to put you inside the box again. Done. Right. Okay. Another mystery box. See what is our another mystery box. Huh. It's a gift set again. And what kind of gift set it is? Ah, heavenly gift set. It's a heavenly gift set. Let's see. So you stay there. So now I have 3 of you. No, there's 4. Oh, a lot of recycled stuff. Very sexy. I will show it to you guys later. What it looks like in my display. Okay, go there. This one too goes in there. Okay. This one, another Rapture. I got my booklet. Oh my goodness, I didn't use my holiday card. It expired 2021. That's what happened. If you don't open your bags instantly, you forgot about it. Alright, what's this one? Oh, this one's the bag. Every time there's a package, I'm so excited. But this one is really cute, just to let you know, guys. I think really cute. And I don't buy things that I don't like. And sometimes I feel sad if I give it away. These. I get a tootie bag. And they are cute. Ah. So cute. It is actually transparent. And this is a board. Cardboard. I'm going to take it out so you guys can see it. That's what it looks like. This is a bath bag where you can put your, let me see what that, yeah, where you can put your shampoos, anything that you want to bring with you in the bathroom so that it doesn't get wet, your bag or stuff. It's really cute. Or if you want to go to the beach, this is really good too. No sand. Oh, right. This one goes to my display. Stay there. I have to start displaying all of my stuff. Yeah. What should I do? Okay. Next is a blanket. No, I don't think it's a blanket. Oh, it's a robe. It's a bathrobe. So I'm not going to open it. I'll just let it stay there. I don't want to get that. Ooh! Last, it's the same thing, but it's a different design. I'm just destroying everything. It's the same with the other one, but I think this one is prettier. So, gee, so cute. I have 2. Pink. So I have 2 of these. So I'll just let it be like that for now. Okay. So I'm going to see you guys in my next episode of unboxing 101. I'm sorry, I'm forgetting what I'm saying. Alright, because of I'm excited. So that's our last, and it's all garbage left here. So what should I do with this one? Alright, I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell button. Thank you.